Are you looking for a business idea that can grow into $1 million company? In this video, I'll share 3 profitable and easy-to-start businesses you can launch in 2025, even with a small budget. Let's get started. First, if you have a laptop, internet, and 15 minutes a day, you can start easily an AI-powered digital agency. Businesses worldwide need help with social media, content, and marketing. Using AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and InVideo, you can create high-quality content for clients in minutes. Using AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and InVideo, you can create high-quality content for clients in minutes. Startup cost, less than $200. Potential, you can scale to $5,000 plus per month by managing just 10 clients. Tip, start by offering services on Fiverr or Upwork to get your first projects. Second, urban rooftop farming. If you live in a city, space is limited, but rooftops are perfect for growing herbs like basil, rosemary, or mint. Restaurants, cafes, and health-conscious families will pay a premium for fresh organic produce. Startup cost, $300, $500 for soil, pots, and seeds. Potential, $500 to $1,000 per month, and if you expand to multiple rooftops, it can grow much bigger. Tip, partner with local restaurants for steady demand. Third, print-on-demand products. Using platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Printful, you can sell custom t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without holding inventory. Using platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Printful, you can sell custom t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without holding inventory. Startup cost, less than $100. Potential, with the right designs and marketing, you can build a global brand and earn $1,000 to $10,000 a month. Tip, focus on a specific niche like pet lovers or travelers to stand out. So, which idea inspired you the most? AI digital agency, rooftop farming, or print on demand? Comment below with your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe for more business ideas every week. Your $1 million journey starts today.